Now want to connect with the control panel, Weigend reader, 4-door control panel. Okay, now already connected two readers, KR300 with the locks and door contact together. Okay. Okay, now the software side coming. Okay, first need to search the control panel already connect with the laptop. Okay, now the IP showing. If you need to change the IP, you can double click there. After that you can change the IP. Okay, now this IP okay with this, and add to database. Okay, here showing number 1, then it will work. Okay, now this one close. Now I want to just add the card tags or cards, anything, it will work. Okay, already added. This control need to add card. Okay, first of all need to create the department. Okay, I already make one department, gate barrier. Okay, after that auto card. First select the department, after scan the tags. Okay, okay, two cards, two tags added. Okay, after that give privilege. Okay, okay, this one select all, and this one also select all. Allow and upload. Okay, it's done, successfully done. Okay, now the tag will work. Okay, now the lock unlock. Okay, same, another reader also, see this. Okay, two lock is working. After that need to setting okay, when install the panel, this function is not showing here. Okay, only control and department personal access privilege. Anti-passback and interlock system you have to add from here. Tools, from extend function, the password is 5678. Okay, after that the window will open. Okay, configuration, you have to active anti-passback and active interlock. If you need other option, you can check there here, and please tick. Okay, now this option activate. So the password is coming ABC 123. Okay, now this tag, it will work. Two locks. Okay, two locks is working, and now we are going to do the interlock system. Okay, configuration. Okay, interlock, and first select number 1 and 2. Okay, after that come to operation. Okay, select all door and upload. Okay, and monitor also. Okay, the all two door is closed already. Okay, if already door sensor is connected here and here also. Okay, two door is closed, and if I open here, see, you can change the, see, the door is open and closed. So you have to first scan, open here. See, the door is open here, first lock, and sensor also. Okay, now still door is open. Okay, now cannot open this second door. See, the second door is cannot open. When the door is closed, okay, after that the second door can open. Okay, if same, see here, second door sensor is open, see the second door is open and door also open. Okay, okay, door sensor is here, cannot open first door. See, the first door cannot open. Here also the showing the denied. Okay, the second door still open. You can check here, the second door is still open. After that the door is closed. See, the door sensor is closed. Now the second first door also can open. See here, two door is closed. Okay, so you can connect, you can add the, you can open the doors here. See, before it's denied, now it's open. When the door sensor is moved there, you cannot open. Okay, this is the interlock system. First door open, cannot open second door, and the second door open, first door cannot open. This is the method. And also if you need more, you want to reports like that, you can check from here also. Attendance option also available, or you can need to configure from here. If you want to add anti-passback also, same, you already active from there, and now the anti-passback option need to active. After that select number one door open, after no need to open again another doors. Okay, the option is added from here. Okay, close. See, now this tag, one time I scan from here. Okay, already exit. Now I start from scan from here. Okay, door is open, the person go inside. After same tag cannot open from here. See, it's getting denied. You can check from here, operation, and operation, the monitor, select all doors, monitor. See, you can check from here. Okay, it's getting denied. This person is already inside the door. Okay, so you have to exit from here. Okay, the person go exit from that room, then it will work. See, now this door is open. This is the anti-passback system.